Welcome to Monday's Market Outlook here at Wealth Creation Investing. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist over here at Top Gun Options, and had a great weekly options live trading session this morning. The Russell trading way below its 200-day moving average, and time to get bullish. With the S&P and the Dow at record highs and the Russell moving in the other direction, that can only happen for so long. Either the Dow and the S&P are also going to roll over and implode like the Russell has, or the Russell is going to snap back. In recent history, the last 15 times something like this has happened, this divergence between the Russell and the major indices, the Russell snaps back and tends to outperform over the next 3 to 6 months the S&P 500 by about 6%. So we took a look at that trade this morning, and it took 30 minutes. We put on a bull put spread. I was going to leg into a bullish double vertical and actually add a bull call spread for the week, but never got filled on it because the Russell ran away, and I closed the trade out for about $1,400, a 65% profit in about 30 minutes on the Russell. Working a Goog Iron Condor, an Apple Iron Condor, and an SPX Bear Call spread as well. I haven't been filled on those, but it's pretty cool. 30 minutes, $1,400, one trade, 65%. So the Russell's starting to catch some life here underneath its 200-day moving average. Market's up, folks. Asia had a good night. Nikkei didn't. Nikkei's foundering here, but Shanghai was up over 2%. So our futures rallied on that. And what Ukraine? Who cares, right? Who cares about apathy? Eastern Ukraine voted to join Russia. Vladimir Putin is begrudgingly, quote unquote, saying, oh, geez, well, they voted and you have to listen to the people. It seems like the markets don't care. It seems like it's a foregone conclusion that Vlad's going to do what Vlad's going to do, and we're not going to stop him. So who cares? Let's bid the market up. Not too much on the radar today as far as macroeconomic data for us. On Tuesday, it'll start picking up as the week goes on. Core retail sales and regular retail sales. Whenever you see the word core, it means X, and this means X autos. Okay. On Wednesday, we will see some inflation numbers with PPI Thursday, obviously weekly unemployment claims, but also some more inflation numbers there as well. The Empire State Manufacturing Index and the Philly Fed cap rate and industrial production, those numbers will be interesting to digest. The chairwoman's going to be speaking Thursday night, and then on Friday, building permits and housing starts and the preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So we might be hearing from the consumer this week. So that'll be potentially market moving as well. But in the absence of anything else, in the Seinfeld market, we melt up. But if you're interested in our weekly options program and seeing what we do here, go to topgunoptions.com/afterburner, and you can get aboard our weekly options training program. Like I said, in just this morning, and if you want to give it a test flight, if you're not ready to fully commit to it, you can go to topgunoptions.com/WO-training. And for $38, you can get access into our weekly options live trade briefs and our primary live trade briefs, 0900 on Tuesdays. We'll give you access to 2 of our model portfolios, SMS, text and email alerts anytime I add or update an existing position in the model portfolio. So like I said, in the past 2 weeks, we're up over $5,000 in model portfolio profits in our weekly options model portfolio. So really, really happy with what's going on in our weekly options portfolio. Trying to work this Apple Iron Condor, still sitting here at 50 cents, and an SPX Bear Call spread. I'm selling into this pop because I think we're, unlike last week, Monday, Tuesday, we kind of wallowed around last week. But previous to that, for the previous 4 or 5 weeks, we had rip your face off Monday, Tuesdays, take a break Wednesdays, roll over a little Thursdays, and give it back Fridays. I think we're going to follow that trend again this week. The market tends to rally on nothing earlier in the week because we just tend to go up with Mama Yellen helping us out here. And then as the week goes on, the market kind of sobers up to the fact that there isn't a ton of really good news out there, and it's time to give some of it back. So we'll see if we do that trend again this week. And if you're interested, you can get in right now. topgunoptions.com/weekly WO weekly option dash training. So WO dash training. Or if you're ready to commit right now, go to topgunoptions.com/afterburner. Okay, I got to run. Got to manage my weekly options trades and blast out new trades to my traders. I'll be back tomorrow with Top Gun Sit Rep over at TGO from beautiful Napa Valley, California. We'll see you.